guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today we were going to do a short tutorial regarding how to use your phone as a main camera for your game streaming or live streaming. So I'm going to show you how to use your phone to connect in your laptop and to connect it in your OBS. Okay? So first, you're going to grab the phone. So I'm showing you my laptop. Okay guys, so the first thing you need to do is grab your phone. Any kind of phone that you're going to use as a camera. I'm using the Huawei phone. I'm not so sure regarding with the model. So I'm not so sure if it's working with you call this with a iOS, with a Apple, but I will sure it works with Android phone. So all you're going to do is you need to go with your Play Store. You just need to type and search the IV cam. It's supposed to be like this one, and you just need to download it. Just download it in your phone, and once it's downloaded, just run it and it's gonna be installed on your phone. So I already downloaded it, so you just need to open it. Once you open it, it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be captured anything on your phone. So moving forward, we're going now to your laptop. So just close it first, just let it like that, and then you also need to go to your laptop. You need to open up a browser. So in the browser, you also need to open the IBCam. You need to also download an IBCam. So just search IBCam download for PC. So I think this is the one. IBCam use mobile as a phone webcam. This is the one that you're going to download, the E2E sub. So just click in here. You're going to download the download for Windows, because there's gonna be, it's depend on if you're using an Apple or if you're using different kinds of video, but for most laptop you're gonna be download for Windows. So once you download it, it's gonna be, but I'm not going to open it because it's already on my system. It's already in my computer. So you can close this one now, and you can close this one. So once it's already run in your laptop or in your computer, it's gonna be like this. So you just need to open it again. So now you're going to grab your phone because it's saying waiting for the IBCam connection, right? You can do two ways how to connect your phone to your laptop. The first one, if you want to connect your phone to the laptop using your Wi-Fi. So all you're going to make sure that your phone and your laptop have same Wi-Fi connection. So I'm using the bell in here. If you're going to check on my laptop, it's the same Wi-Fi that I'm using. So that's good. So once you're going to do that, make sure it's running already in your laptop. So you need to go now and find the IBCam on your phone. So this is the one. Oh no, not that one. This is the one. So it's gonna be look like this, and you just need to click to run it, and your phone already mirroring, and as you can see. So that is my phone mirroring. Like, I'm going to put it in the keyboard like that. So it's mirroring anything I'm using my phone. So once it's already in there, so it's already connected. This one is needed much more using uh, internet speed. So if you don't want to use too much internet for using your phone as a camera because you're streaming, what can I suggest is you can use a cord. A cord that can you connect your phone through your laptop as a USB debugging. So we're going to connect it again. All you're going to do is you need to turn off first your Wi-Fi internet to your phone. You just need to turn it off. And then you need to go now to the settings of your phone, as you can see. And once you go to the setting, you need to go to the system. I think it's to the system. Right? So as you can see in the system, you can see the developer option. In the I'm not so sure if it's the same thing with different kind of unit of phone, but you just need to find where is your USB debugging. So here is my USB debugging in my developer option. So you just need to open it. Oh, wait. Before you're going to open it, you need to make sure your phone is connected through your laptop. So we're going to connect it through my laptop. You need to make sure it's connected through the laptop, through your phone, and the IV cam is open. So once it's connected, you're going to open again your phone. You need to go again. You're going to yes, allow access. So it's gonna be show like in your laptop like this. I'm not so sure if every laptop's gonna be show like that. And then once it's open as a debugging, you just need to close it and close this one too, just to refresh, and then open it again, and then open the IV cam on your phone. Just search the IV cam, and once you do the search bar in here, it's supposed to be connected right away, but it's waiting. It's saying it's waiting for the IV cam, so try to click it again. If it's not working, just go back to your settings again. Go to your developer option and make sure the USB debugging is open. Because my USB debugging is turned off, so maybe that's the reason why. So you need to click OK. Once it's open, don't need to close. I think just go back to your IV cam, and that's it. It's connected. Your phone is mirroring now your laptop. So you can use this one as your main camera if you're going to do streaming, or if you're going to do live streaming, and if you don't have any nice web camera, because most web camera right now is a little bit expensive, so it's much more cheaper. And that's it. Okay guys, so right now we're going to connect the IV cam to our OBS. As you can see, here is my phone. So the IV cam is in here, so it's not yet connecting to the laptop. But once I click here, since I'm going to use the cord, it's already connected in my laptop. So once I click here, it's automatically going to open the camera and mirroring into my laptop. I'm going to open the OBS and I'm going to show you how to connect the IVCam to the OBS. So, like I told you, you just need to go and click the plus sign. You need to add the video capture device. In the video capture device, you can add anything like a name, or you can put anything name that you want, that you can remember that is the camera. So let us just say camera. So let's just click OK. As you can see, it's showing what devices or in which devices you're going to take the camera. This one is in my laptop camera, the visual camera, or the live gamer camera. We're going to choose the 2E soft IVCam. So after this, you just need to click OK. And your camera is already in here, in the OBS. You can resize it whatever size do you want it. So let's just set it to stretch. Just need to click the P to stretch. And so it's going to be fitted. So that is your camera now. So anything that's capturing in this phone, it's gonna be transferred in your laptop. Or you see, it's capturing anything. I'm going to put it in the keyboard. So that is my phone. That's all, guys. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, and share this video if you find it interesting, and make sure your notification button bell is open so you're always updated with my video. Thank you so much, guys, and have a wonderful day. It's my life. It's my It's my life.